Assalamu alaikum, dear friend and colleague. This is the demonstration video for application of Kaizen scan model OD1A. You can start this machine from here. This is the button. The screen will on, and this is the interface of the machine where you go and operate. And this is the operational pen for the touch screen. You go into the system and put in the detail of the hospital and the doctor who is going to use this machine. Then you go into the parameters where you have to put in couple of details. The detail 1 is the A constant of the IUL, and the detail 2 is the interior chamber depth of the IUL. So you can put 1, 2, 3, 4 details. You can use any of the detail for your IUL calculations. Then on the right side of the interface, you can see the different parameters. First is the gain. You selected the gain. You can plus. Okay, sorry. You selected the gain. You can plus and minus the gain. The maximum gain you can achieve is 120, and then you can set it where you want to set. And then the contrast, you can go maximum to 30, and then as low as to you wish to want. Then this is the gates, the sounds gates, and this is the OD and OS option that you can select OD and OS for the eye selection. And this is the mode. This is the mode manual and auto. Then this is the contact and immersion selection. This is a normal eye select, and if you kick, then you go for the special eyes and the cataract. This is the probe that you can freeze and go for the scan, and this is clear. Okay, this is the probe that you're going to use, and it is very familiar to everyone. So the criteria with this probe, that when you have contact and a proper contact, there's a sound, and this sound must be continuous, and these 8 readings must be come in very quickly. If the readings come not very quickly, that means your contact is improper. So you have to be contact properly, that brings the calculation very quickly. And the most important thing, that the center deviation must remain 0.0 or near to 0 to get the exact axial length. So this is the simple operational system. Then we go to the IUL calculations, and when you go to the IUL calculation, you have to put in the K1 and K2, and the interior chamber depth is also available there, and the axial length will also available. So we have these formulas already in this machine. So you can select any of the formula. Mostly use SRKT. So using SRKT, then you can calculate the IUL powers. The power will come, and you can save the data, and if you want to print, you can print it. You can print this information, and you can just click the print, and you touch this, and this print will come out, and you have the IUL report. So we have the print. Now we have complete the procedure. So we close the tab, and when we go for the another patient, we clear all the previous data from here. So then we go for the next patient, and now the procedure is complete. So we can turn off this machine from here. Thank you very much.
Kaizen, dream it possible, make it possible.